This is the Winning at Work and Home podcast with Damon Eddy, dedicated to helping individuals not only win at work, but more importantly, win at home and in life. Helping individuals define what true success looks like for them and helping them live that success daily, allowing more freedom to passionately love the people and enjoy the things that matter most in their life. Welcome to the Winning at Work and Home podcast with Damon Eddy.
Well, hey guys, welcome to the Winning at Work and Home podcast, episode number 106. I thought I would go outside this morning. It's a beautiful morning. I came out here though, and it's a little windier than I thought, just a titch. So it's just a little colder. I feel like I need to go in and get a jacket, but I'll be all right. I'll tough it out. It's not too bad, but it is a beautiful morning, and the more that I can get out and do this and get outside, I like it. So today what I want to talk about in episode number 106, I thought about yesterday when I was, what the heck was I doing? I was doing something. I don't think I thought of this in the shower. I'll let you guys know that. I might have been outside doing some yard work, which is often interesting, guys. It kind of brings me to a point a little bit. A lot of times what people think is, I think the reason why we come up with such good thoughts in the shower, now this is kind of just off the wall, completely different, is because that's when we are relaxed, right? That's when we let our mind get free and go, when we're not stressed out, we're not doing something with the kids, we're not doing something with clients, and we can just think about things. And it's interesting, when I'm outside doing yard work, whatever it may be, weeding or just, watering or whatever, again, that's where your mind can wander, you can think. So make sure, just a little side note before we get started on this episode, make sure that you're